물건이 가장 많은 부동산 청용공인중개사 TV입니다. 물건에 대한 궁금한 사항 있으시면 언제든 연락주세요. 실항초등학교 도보 7분, 성포중학교 도보 12분, 안산공업고등학교 도보 4분, 버스정류장 도보 1분, 수인산 앞도로가 인접해 있어서 생활 편의가 좋습니다.
I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down when you put it wrong. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping